quality circles. Okay, and this is topic of quality toolkit for managers. The subject code is KMBOM-03. Okay, so you may refer following references for further study. First is your textbook. Rest are some good books in the field of operations management, and these 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are some good blogs about the quality circle that you may refer for further study. Okay, so what is quality circle? Basically, a quality circle is a group of people in the workplace who perform the same or similar functions in their job. Suppose some people are working in procurement department, or some people are working in quality department, and some people are working in assembling department, and some are working in manufacturing department. Okay, so what is quality circle? If you want to draft quality circle, then you may pick 3 to 5% or some means generally quality circle consists persons from 3 to 12 or 15 maximum. Okay, so that is basically quality circle. Means it is a group of people that are doing similar type of job. Means you will choose a quality circle from procurement department, a quality circle from quality department, a quality circle from assembling department, a quality circle from manufacturing department, basically. Okay, and to discuss their problems related with works, basically. Okay, continuously, and preparing a strategy to rectify that problems, basically. Okay, to resolve that problem. So they meet regularly to look at different ways to discover and solve issues related to their works, their role at work. So also known as quality control cycle, and these groups of people will normally be small in numbers, 3 to 10, and be led by the supervisor. Okay, so generally one person will lead that quality circle because without leader you can't work in streamlined way. Okay, so one supervisor would be there that will lead your quality circle, basically, and generally this quality circle will decide what would be the frequency of meeting, and what issues we would consider in a particular meeting. Okay, and what are the various minutes of meeting. Okay, what were the discussions, and what would be the next strategy that we need to work upon. Okay, so simple adjustment to how work is performed can be adopted just with agreement among the group, but the large solution to the problems will typically need to propose the solution to management teams. Means if you want to implement some minor changes that you may adopt with discussing among the group, and by just notifying to your immediate boss. Okay, but if you want to develop, or if you want to implement some breakthrough change, so in that case you need to propose this solution to your management team, basically. Okay, so each company will have a different set of policies on how changes will be implemented based on their own specific needs. Means what are the changes that you need to implement, and what would be the mechanism to implement those changes, basically, in your organization. Okay, so this is what quality circle. So quality circle is what? It is a group of people that will discuss their work related issues frequently, and will plan for better improvement in in their work area. And this group of people will consist in number. If you talk about numbers, so that is means if you talk about a small quality circle, so that is of 3 people group, or maybe maximum 15. Okay, so that is basically quality circle. Okay, so quality circle, if you talk about history of quality circle, so quality circle got their start in 1950s with the concept being pioneered by W. Edward Deming. Okay, so Deming, you have gone through 14 principles of Deming, so many contribution is there of Deming. Basically, he is a renowned quality guru. So they have gave this philosophy, basically, to adopt quality circle. So Toyota liked the idea and began using it in a variety of ways throughout their manufacturing facility and other areas. So first adopted this company by Toyota. Okay, so companies around the world began implementing this strategy, and by 1978 there was more than 1 million circles operating with 10 million workers involved in Japan alone. If you talk about Japan, So you will see that by the time 1978, there are more than a million of quality circles were operating at that time, and with 10 million workers involved in Japan only. Okay, so the concept of quality circle has somewhat fallen out of favor in many Western countries over the past couple decades, and it was a very popular option throughout the 1960s, 70s, and 80s. So it was at that time it was also much popular, and nowadays we can also implement this quality circle. So it is also relevant in today's scenarios also. Okay, so some companies are beginning to realize how quality circles can be effective again, and especially when combined with other methodologies like Lean Six Sigma and more. Means some companies may adopt this quality circle with Lean implementation or Six Sigma implementation. What is Lean? Basically implementing Muda. Okay, eliminating waste, and what is Six Sigma? To eliminate the defect basically, and with TQM also. So this is basically quality circle. So if you gone through this, so you see that it started in 1950s, and after that it became more popular than the previous one. Means, and it became popular in 1960s as well as 70s and 80s, and nowadays lot many companies are adopting quality circles. Okay, so what are the objectives of quality circle? Basically, to improve the quality, productivity, safety, and cost reduction. Means generally it is a group of people that discuss its work related issue. So if they discuss problems, they will resolve it, and they will better improve their quality, their productivity, efficiency, safety, and cost reduction. Okay, means cost optimization basically. So this is basically objective of implementing quality circle. Next is to give chance to employees to use their wisdom and creativity. Nowadays we are working towards empowering our employees. Okay, and giving them assignments in the form of multiple teams and in the form of projects basically. So to give a chance to employees to use their wisdom and creativity, we need to draft this quality circle. Okay, next is to encourage team spirit, cohesive culture among different levels and sections of the employee. Okay, so generally to encourage team spirit means they will work on team, they will work on project, and they will continuously thinking about the organization, to improving the quality of organization, to reducing the cost of manufacturing. So at different level and section of the employees. Okay, next is to promote self and mutual development, including leadership quality. Means it will promote self development also as well as mutual development, because by this way the employee will become empowered employee, not that specialized one. Okay, so next is to fulfill the self-esteem and motivational needs of employee. If you give a chance to your employees to speak upon the issues in that way, they will motivate towards working, and they will the employee satisfaction would be there, so they will get that self-esteem part. Okay, self-respect part basically. Next is to improve the quality of work life of employee. Okay, and by this way you will definitely improve the quality of your work life of your employees. So these are various objectives by to accomplish these objectives, you will deploy quality circle in your organization. Okay, so what are the various characteristics of effective quality circle? If you talk about characteristics to then these are: the atmosphere should be informal, comfortable, and relaxed. Okay, so that everybody is comfortable to communicate. Means the member should feel involved and interested to interact. Okay, to discuss basically. Okay, so that is characteristic of effective quality circle. Another characteristic is everyone should be participative in nature. Okay, means everyone should take part in discussion, in resolving issue, in giving strategy, in giving planning part. Okay, so the objective should be clear to on the member. The objective of drafting quality circle should be clear to each and every member of your team basically. of quality circle, and the members should listen to each other. Okay, and not only speaking, but the members should be able to listen to each other also, so that you may note other employees point also. Okay, next is the group should feel comfortable even when there are disagreements. Means you should feel comfortable if there are disagreement, then the role of supervisor is much more there in this case. Means you should resolve the issues of disagreement in between this quality circle. Okay, next is the decisions should generally be taken by a kind of consensus, and voting should be minimum. Okay, means you should generally take decision based on consensus. Okay, and not voting. Voting is what basically means some persons are in far position and some are in against position. Okay, but consensus means all are in same line basically. So that means the decision should be taken on consensus basis. Okay, not on this voting type. Okay, so when an action is required to be taken, clear assignments should be made and accepted by all the members. Okay, next is the leader should not dominate the group. Means the supervisor should play a role of moderator. Okay, and should play a role of motivator, not to dominate that group. Means this is correct way, and I want all to agree upon that. So that approach should not be there. Means the leader should not dominate the quality circle group. Okay, the main idea should not be as to who controls, but how to get the job done basically. So based upon discussion, they should decide that what would be the best feasible solution to adopt for a particular type of problem basically. Okay, so until a final solution is found and results are attained, feedback is necessary. Means when you get the final solution or final best practices, then you should take feedback of each and every member, so that is there a point of disagreement over there or not. Okay, means is everybody deciding upon that point based on consensus or not. Okay, so these are some characteristics of adopting effective quality circles in your organization. Okay, so now next is implementation of quality circle in an organization. Okay, so what are the way to implement a quality circle? So for the success of quality circle program, following actions are necessary in the organization. Like few managers representing production, quality control, design, process planning form the quality circle. Steering committee. Okay, means first the managers, means from production, quality control, or different departments, they form means a steering committee that will lead those quality circle basically. So this act as a policy of making body and will monitor the QC in the organization. Means one steering committee would be there, and that will consist all the area heads of different departments. Okay, next is top management must attend the orientation course designed for them. Means while giving orientation program is basically telling about the objectives of that quality circles to everyone. So in that orientation program, top management should attend this orientation course designed for them basically. Okay, so that they would also be aware that for what purpose we are creating quality circle. Okay, a committed top and middle management is necessary. Okay, so that is also a requirement. Means a committed top and middle management would be there to resolve any problem, or to take action on immediate basis. Okay, a facilitator must be appointed. What is facilitator? Those will communicate means resultant of that quality circle meeting to everyone who serves as a link between top management, QC, steering committee, middle management, quality circle leaders, and circle members. Means he or she will responsible to communicate all the points that have been discussed in different quality circles. So facilitator will coordinate training courses, get the support from all concerned, including top management, QC, steering committee, circle leaders, and circle members, to help the circle leader in conducting the meeting and to provide necessary resources. So these are basically points that you should consider while implementing the quality circle in your organization. So what are the benefits of quality circle? Adopting benefits of quality circle. So through the forum of quality circle, the chronic problem of organizations which really create hurdles in work get resolved by grassroots employees of organization whose knowledge and experience otherwise is not fully utilized. Means you will deploy each and everyone in your organization. You will create a participative type of work culture in your organization. Okay, so that is basically plus point of adopting a quality circle. Another plus point or benefit associated with this adopting quality circle is this: with such a capable workforce, any organization can easily undertake more difficult and challenging assignment for its growth and profit. Okay, means if you want to reduce cost cost optimization, then you may work for cost optimization. You would work for performance improvement. You will work for quality improvement. So with such a capable workforce, any organization can easily undertake more difficult and challenging assignments, or more difficult and challenging projects for its growth as well as improvement of profit. Okay, next is, as the employee gain experience, they take more challenging projects. In due course, they undertake projects on cost reduction, material handling, quality improvement, preventing wastage, improving delivery schedule, improving customer service, improving inspection and test methods, and preventing accident, improving design and processes. Means these are the areas where these are the areas that you may discuss in your quality circle to improve upon. Okay, so means you may work upon cost reduction, material handling, how to handle material, how to manage inventory, how to deal with quality, how to prevent waste, various types of waste, how to improve delivery schedule, how to improve customer service, and how to incorporate that inspection and testing mechanism in your organization, and how to prevent accident to make your organization much more safer and secure for the for rest of your employees or for rest of your colleagues. Okay, so improving design and processes, etc. So these are some areas where you may deploy quality circle for the purpose. Okay, so these are some benefits. Okay, and some other list of benefits of quality circle are such like cost reduction, increased productivity, improved quality, better communication in between all the stakeholders of your organization, better housekeeping is there, increased teamwork is there, smooth working is there, better mutual trust is there in between team members. Okay, and greater sense of belongingness with the organization. Emotional intelligence would also be improved among the employees. Increased safety would be there, better human relations would be there. So these are some benefits associated with this quality circle. Okay, so for further study, you may refer these references. These are some good blogs, and as well as textbook and reference book that you may refer for further study about the topic. Okay, and if you have any query or doubt